Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 27. Mowing. I rose early, scythe in hand. Dew soaking my boots, ready to cut the tall grass along the fields. Each swing sang a rhythm, blades slicing through green, sweat dripping, sun climbing, warming my back. The air smelled sweet with fresh grass and earth, birds wheeling overhead in curious arcs. I worked slow, noticing every bend, every hidden stone, listening to the quiet hum of life around me. A neighbor waved from the fence, smiling, and I nodded, feeling the shared pulse of labor and land. By noon, the field lay even and neat, the scent of cut grass strong and sweet. I sat on the edge, wiping sweat from my brow, thinking how work can clear the mind, and effort, repeated day after day, stitches the human soul into the rhythm of nature. Now listen to the poem. Dew soaks boots, scythe in hand, morning sunlight warms the land. Blade swings steady, rhythm strong, cutting grass. The day moves long. Sweat drips, air smells sweet, birds wheel above in arcs complete. Neighbor waves, life shared near, labor connects what hearts hold dear. Field lies neat as noon arrives. Scent of grass, earth revived. Work clears the mind, soul aligned. Effort stitches heart and mind. Daily toil, nature's song, keeps human rhythm moving strong.